Hi, in this question we are given with the information about the take home pay for Alvarez family, and this is given to be equals to $3,650 per month, and take home pay for Martinez family is given as $7,300 per month, and we are given with the pie chart as well, which represent the spending of these two families. For the first part A, we need to select the statement that best compare how much the families spend on gasoline. As we can see here, for family A, spending on gasoline is equals to 6% of take home pay, that is 3,650, and solving this we get 6 by 100